What is artificial intelligence really? Have you ever wondered how your phone can understand your voice? In this video, we're breaking down the basics of AI. You'll learn what AI does and how it's different from regular programming. Let's start with the definition. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. These machines are designed to think, learn, and solve problems like a human. But how does it achieve this? That's where the journey begins. AI can be divided into three main types: narrow AI, general AI, and superintelligent AI. Narrow AI is what we see today. It performs specific tasks like voice recognition. General AI is theoretical, capable of any intellectual task a human can do. Superintelligent AI surpasses human intelligence. For now, we mainly interact with narrow AI. Now, let's talk about the process. Machine learning. Machine learning is a vital part of AI. It teaches machines to learn from data. There are three main steps. First, data collection gathers information. Next, algorithms analyze this data. Finally, the machine makes predictions based on the analysis. For example, consider Netflix recommendations. It collects data from users, analyzes viewing habits, and suggests shows you might like. This is machine learning in action. It continually learns and adapts based on user choices. Now, let's summarize. AI is about simulating human intelligence. It includes narrow AI and machine learning. Machine learning involves collecting data, analyzing it, and making predictions. Remember Netflix and how it knows what you like? Want to dive deeper into AI? Check out our resources linked below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights on AI. See you in the next video.